So this is going to be a look at and an unboxing on this item. Really interesting item. I just couldn't help myself. I don't know how I'm going to use this or where I'm going to use this, but it's going to be, I've never seen to date. I'm sure there exist, but I couldn't find one that has as many outlets as this. I just got to find a use for it. 24 outlet surge protector. I mean, that's a lot of surge protectors. So it's gonna be more of a look at. You can get an idea of the item. This is the and that piece is right here. This is the wall mount. I guess you do the it's the template. Put it on the wall, a piece of tape or something. Mark it or put a hole through it, or drill a hole so that you can mount this item on the wall if you need to. If you need this many surge protector outlets, then fine. I just find it, I don't know if I would ever fill them all up, because of the fact that just having one physical outlet connected to 24 different plugs worries me in capacity. Can the plug itself, the plug you plug it into, handle this many items? So it comes with, what is it, 12 spaced out plugs, which is great. So that means you can put large adapters and regular size ones in the middle. The layout is nice. That's 4 USB-A, 2 USB-Cs, on, off, and the different lights. Actual cable. This is an 8-foot, really thick, it looks like heavy-duty cable. Comes with a Velcro strap here, a flat, angled plug, so that way, if you have two plugs, it gets out of the way, and that way, if you put it on the top one, it won't be an issue. It'll stay out of the way, so you can still have access to the bottom one, or other scenarios which make it easier to actually plug it in. Let me just do some measurements from the top to the bottom. About 12 and a half. It's plastic, pretty light plastic. The cable feels heavier than the actual item. About 6. About 3/4 to 1, depending on coming up to these bumps here for that. The back. And this fits this end. Okay. This is just to show you, this is everything that comes in the packaging. Nice and neat. Put this here, put this here. Plug right there. Plug. This is pretty. It's a nice. It's a nice. It's nice. I mean, it's a nice idea. My whole biggest thing is, you know, what I think would have made me feel better about this product is if it actually has sort of like a separate other connection and dividing this in half. So half of it, sort of having a 1 into a split Y, having 2 different plugs. One plug representing one side and the other plug representing the other side. I'm not an expert. I just can't imagine 24 plugs plus some charging some phones and tablets on one outlet. I don't know if the actual outlet will be strong enough. Let's plug it in. This is an 8-foot cable. I don't know if I told you 8 foot. I measured it. I just plugged it in, and the lights are, this one is, let me get up close and read it. The red means protected, and the green means grounded. So, it's working well. Let me show you how the plug would work. So if you have an outlet here, and you only have access to the top one, when you put it in, there's space now underneath to use the second outlet. If it was straight, it would be blocked. So this is going to be, again, a look at. I have to find a purpose for this. I have no idea, not even. I have a cabinet that has 2 monitors. I'm sorry, 2 computers. One with a built-in monitor. One of the computers is a monitor, and I use the other computer, and I connect it to that computer and use that computer's monitor, all-in-one computer, as the actual monitor for my second computer. So that has 2 plugs. I have a NAS that's 3 and a network switch in the back that's 4. So in my computer cabinet itself, 4 items. I have four items needing plugs. So I have no idea where I'm going to use this. I just bought it just to see. It's an interesting idea, and I just have to find a purpose for it. It's a lot of outlets. Well, I guess those persons who are having, who could use this, let me know below. Tell me what you're going to use this for. Maybe you'll give me an idea of how I should use this. I guess you could use it temporarily. They have longer cables, but I guess I can add a high-end, high-quality extension cable. Bring this outside to use it as a plug, and different people can use different things. I guess you don't have to use every single plug at one time. So I guess that's one case scenario. Maybe when you're camping or something, everybody has their own outlet. I don't think it's waterproof or dustproof or anything. It does have safety overload protection, and supposed to have fire resistant, built by fire with fire resistant material, I believe. But be guided by your best judgment. I am not an expert. I am not an electrician. But I don't know. Tell me how you would use this. I think it's too much for one plug, but maybe I'm wrong. All right, so this was a look at the 24-port, 6 USB port surge protector. A lot of plugs. Seems very well made. I like it. I have to find a use for it. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day now. Regular user. Be guided by, you know what, ask an electrician. Make sure that however you're going to use this, you've asked the professional what they thought of this. I don't know. So I got to find a use for this. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.